Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Shamsher Singh, Professor in Management, working in RP IIT Technical and Medical Campus. Dear students, hope all of you doing well. And today's video is about future scenario of production management. So let's get right into the video. Simply stating, operations management is concerned with managing the process that convert inputs in the form of materials, labor, energy, etc. into output in the form of goods and services. The growth of service industry has brought with it the term operations management. So we can say operations management can be defined as a field of study that focus on the planning, scheduling, use and control of a manufacturing or service organization through the study of design, engineering, industrial engineering, management information system, quality management, production management, accounting and other functions as they affect the operations. Hence, these days both manufacturing and service organization fall within the scope of production management. Thus, production management, which was earlier considered as manufacturing management only, now after the inclusion of services within its scope, is broadly known as operations management. Operations management is thus defined as the design, operations and improvement of the system that create and deliver the firm's primarily products and services. This is about the future scenario. What will be the scope and configuration of production, marketing and hence production management in the incoming 21st century with the idea of globalization with closely allied ideas of liberalization and privatization policies of each economy and their business activities on one hand and knowledge explosion on the other. The entire world is going to be a village sandy and this world will be hinged on competition, quality of service and cost of service along the products of zero defect with due weight age on environmental futurology. It is the future technology that is going to decide the things our children and grandchildren will witness and experience. Therefore, the production manager of incoming century who foresees the future products and service in terms of wants and is equipping with the necessary information of or market intelligence will adapt like a cockroach or will perish like dead spice of dinosaur as instinct reptile. The words of management expert like Peter Drucker and Philip Kotler will prevail as a passive form extinctions and adaptive one swims against the current. It means that production management applicable to all forms of organized work will not only be limited to manufacture but include office operations, hospitals, educational service, library service, power or energy production and military system, transportation, communication system and so on. The futurology of production management of incoming countries based on the stock foundation of knowledge, as knowledge is power and power is supreme law. Okay, dear student, that is the future scenario of production management.